Wait, there's a letter right there. Who's that for?
That wasn't on the tree. You're right.
I found it on there today first.
What does it say?
Merry Christmas.
Open it.
Let's see who's it from.
Has like a letter inside.
Oh, there's Santa on it.
Oh.
I already.
But it says, oh look. Look.
What? For Raquel Castillo? No, I know you have been a very good little girl. You have such a great big heart. It's from Santa!
Oh my God. You're so lucky.
And what else does it say?
Santa Claus at the bottom.
That's all it says?
Keep reading. You're doing such a good job. You stopped here. That is
Heart.
why.
That is why you will get your American Girl doll just like you asked for. I got one
I guess.
since you are such a special little girl. I want you to go to the store and pick her out yourself. Mommy and Daddy will take you very soon to get her.
That big word is remember.
Remember to always be a sweet and giving little girl. Love, Santa Claus.
Oh, that's so cool. What else was there?
I said American Girl doll.
But there was another paper. What is that? What does that one have?
Merry Christmas, Raquel. Oh, and somebody has this one.
Oh, she has that one. We're gonna get one too. Awesome, huh?
Uh-huh. I think you found the letter at the table.
He did.
Wait, is it there?
Don't you want to open the rest of the gifts?
Oh, yeah. Bobby.